Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's drill is a recovery drill using focus mitts and training your Wing Chun, utilizing your elbows and your Bong techniques. But before we do that, I need you to click both boxes to like and subscribe, and click the bell to always. Thank you for your continued support, really appreciate it. Please, if you have any requests, please ask and we'll make videos that you'd like. Otherwise, have a great day.
So today we're going to work on a recovery drill, utilizing the elbows from the Chum Q form, right? Using it as a block and using your Bong. They're really good when you get in tight, and then a quick counter recovery. So we're going to start simple. We're going to start orthodox. It doesn't really matter for the sake of this drill. So I'm going to whip. We're going to start slow. The right hook going to come in. He's going to do a Bong and then follow with a hook punch. I'm going to throw the left hook, Bong, come back with another hook punch. If I come down with the body shot going in his body, he drops the elbow, fires the uppercut, opposite side. Drop the elbow, fires the uppercut. So as soon as you counter, you fire back with that same hand. It's just a good reflex drill. So let's play it a little bit.
So have fun with it. Just mix and match the drills. Pick up the speed, vary the pace as you go through with it. Have a great day.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.